So being in the financial advising business, it's always a good process to reflect on really the true value of what we do and how we deliver it to investors. I mean, after all, most people think when they hire a financial advisor, it's with the goal in mind of making them more money. But that means that people are basing decisions to hire a financial advisor just solely on whether they can deliver rates of returns that may beat the market. But being a good financial advisor means helping people make decisions that go far beyond how and where they invest, how you can enhance people's lifetime standard of living. And it's important to understand that because success may not always equal a higher portfolio rate of return in the short term. And so I've come up with 5 intangible ways that financial advisors really do potentially add value to you. First, through personal responsibility. You've got goals in life, and trying to get there from here might sometimes seem impossible. To help deal with this, your advisor can take charge and work with you to set priorities, review your progress, and keep you on track. Second, an advisor helps you manage your expectations. Maybe your goal is to retire at age 55. Great, that could happen. But if doing so requires you to cut your expenses in half immediately while also taking a second job, then maybe your expectations are just a little too ambitious. All right, so third, financial advisors add objectivity. All too often, emotional decisions override rationality, and people wind up doing the wrong things at the worst possible time. And advisor can help approach these types of issues from the outside to help keep you from becoming your own worst enemy. Fourth, advisors take the initiative. Hey, life happens, right? But by being proactive instead of reactive, a good financial advisor may help you anticipate certain transitional life events like early retirement, death, divorce, or the needs for long-term care, and thus help you create a plan of action to address all these types of issues in advance. And finally, an advisor may add value to you through education. Planning and investing is complicated for sure, and a lot of that uncertainty that you may have may be reduced by simply knowing what is being recommended to you and why, what you're paying for and how much, and what risks and options you have going forward. An educated investor, I think, is a much happier investor. And it's important to remember that good financial advice is way more than just selecting investments or providing short-term market returns to you. It requires substantial expertise both on investing and the planning sides of the business. By providing the intangibles I just talked about to you, you may find that your financial advisor has added a lot of extra value to you and your entire family.